A pivot table provides a very nice way of getting summary statistics for categorical data. I'd like to show you another way though, and I'm using the average for comparison first. I put an if statement inside the average, and I say if values in that range here, fix that range by pressing F4, equal one of the zones here, then I'm picking the price. Again, I fix this reference with F4. If not, I put a blank as an answer to the if statement. I put another parenthesis here, and now I'm not closing this formula by pressing enter, but I press Ctrl, Shift, hold both buttons, and then I press enter. And what I get is, of course, the same average that I already have here. I can drag this cell down and get the averages for the other conditions. So for every type of zone, this function says, okay, once again, if zone equals whatever, I pick the corresponding row or entry from the price range, and if not, I put a blank there, and that gives me the right average. Now you might say this is not really necessary because I can use the pivot table, but as you saw before, the value field settings of a pivot table are limited. So you can't, for instance, do the same thing for the median. You cannot change the value field setting in the pivot table to median, but you can replace the average here by the median, and so you get the median for each of those zones. Or if you're interested in a certain percentile, you can use the percentile function, which is also not available in the value field settings of a pivot table. Of course, if you use percentile, you need to add another another argument here, and that would be, for instance, a 10 percentile. Sorry, I pressed enter, and this is what I got. So I go back, press F2, go back into the cell, press Ctrl+Shift+Enter, and I get the percentile, the 10% percentile.